Hello everyone, today I want to introduce our remote speaker mic MP50B1 for the two-way radio and the wireless PTT for motorcycle. Okay, now after we plug the headset speaker, then we can use the wireless PTT to talk. Hello, Sam, can you hear me? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello, yes, I can hear you. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, you can hear the audio is come from the helmet. After we leave the motorbike, then we can unplug the headset and we can use the wired speaker mic to communication. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi Sam, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, you can see it work very well. Thank you for your watching.